science is powerful, but there is much it can't explain. And when people see, hear, or believe something that is not explained, science finds itself trying to prove things don't exist. And that's truly impossible. I can't tell you why this motorcycle passageway underneath the freeway exists. All I can tell you is, it does.
Water's low.
Yeah.
I've never seen it this low.
I don't think it's ever been this low.
Right there, that guy. All right. And he doesn't know about the secret underpass loop.
No, I don't know about the secret underpass loop.
The secret
I thought this was the only way you could go.
All right. So here we are. We're down here in beautiful Harlan. What do they call this?
Nevada? That's the Humboldt River.
Yeah. It's some kind of...
Carlin Canyon.
It's kind of a dead end. Once you get down here, you have to turn around and go back. Unless you know about the secret freeway underpass loop.
Secret freeway underpass loop. All right, I'm following you.
Good.
I think JPADV is back. How did I not know about this? This is why you always need a local guide. Look at this. Now, this is a beautiful motorcycle road right here.
Let me know down in the comments, where do you think they were going? And why does this exist?
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Ha 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 ha.